You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning correct pronunciations. In German, for reference, it is said as Micha, Micha. Some countries and languages say it as Micha, Micha, but in English it is generally simply said as Micha, Micha, although some say it also as Micha, but generally Micha is as good as you can get it. Micha, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.